Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to add a table in Microsoft Word. Tables are useful when you want to organize information in rows and columns. To add one, go to the top and click on the Insert tab. Click here and then go to Tables. Just move your mouse over the squares to choose how many rows and columns you want. If you are satisfied, just click to insert it to your documents. Once the table appears, you can just start typing in the box. For example, colors, red, blue, and green. You can also adjust the size by dragging the lines. Click here and then drag it to make it bigger. Okay? And then if you need more rows or columns, right click inside the tables and choose insert. And then insert rows above, insert rows below, or columns to the left and columns to the right. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so tables help make your data easier to read, especially for lists, schedules, or forms. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe these channels, and see you in the next video.